In this guide, I'll show you how to change your PS5 design to your favorite generation of PlayStation as part of PlayStation's 30th anniversary celebration. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings in the top right corner. Make sure your PS5's up to date and you should see this option at the top. And we're going to go to PlayStation 30th anniversary. And from here, you're going to see the 30th anniversary theme, as well as PS1, PS2, PS3, and PS4. So you'll notice beneath it that it does change the background under settings. It does change a few other things. So why don't we go with PS2 and I'll show you this one. So you'll notice the background has already changed here. And if we go back to this home screen, you'll notice in the top that it's changed to that block theme that PS2 had, as well as if you press the PlayStation button on your controller, that block theme will go to the bottom. And you'll notice in the top right for the time, it looks different as well. So this is a really cool update that they provided. It is going to be a limited time, so be sure to check it out. Other than that, appreciate you all, and we'll see you in the next one.